Okay, today we're going to look at splitting a number into parts so that you can subtract tenths. This is quite similar to some of the other strategies that we've looked at, such as counting back strategy, where you count back first in tens and then you count in ones. We're going to do the same here. We're going to look at counting first in ones and then in tenths. So I'm going to give you another, as usual, give you a little scenario, and we're going to start with, I'm going to just draw here a little black circle here, and this is a discus. If you don't know what a discus is, it's a thing that you use in athletics, and you throw it. You have a competition to see who can throw a discus the furthest, and you have to stand behind a line, and the person who can throw the discus the furthest in a competition wins. And you have all sorts of records. You have school records, you have national records, and of course you have world records and Olympic records and all that sort of thing. But we're just going to pretend today that the school record for the discus is 42 meters, way up here. And what actually happened is somebody threw the discus, and they weren't too sure how far they'd thrown it. And just to take another colour for a second, they threw it, and it landed here. Okay, and they marked the spot where it landed, and then they measured, not from where it was thrown, here, they measured back from the record. The record was marked on the ground. And they discovered when they measured backwards that the distance from the record to the mark where the boy threw it was 7.6 meters. So he was 7.6 meters short of the record. How are we going to solve the question of how far the boy threw it? And some of you will know straight away, if I just take a moment and change colours, that what we're looking at here is 42 meters take away 7.6 meters. That's the question we're looking at. And as always in situations like this, we'll get ourselves a little open number line which will help, and we'll locate the important information on the number line. So this is the 42 meters here, okay, and we're looking to count back 7.6 meters. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to look firstly at the ones and then secondly at the tenths that are here. Okay, so we've got 7 ones and we've got 6 tenths, and I've just gone off the screen, so I'm just going to erase that. We've got 6 tenths. Okay, so let's count back. Just change colour, and we're going to count back the 7 ones. So we're going to subtract 7 ones minus 7. 42 minus 7 equals 35. And then we're going to subtract the tenths. Okay, so we're going to subtract 6 tenths. So we're going to jump back minus, actually I'm just going to draw I've drawn the arrow there to show. I'm going to draw an arrow to show here. Minus 0.6 or 6 tenths. And we usually write a 0 there to show that there's no ones here. So minus 6 tenths. And that will take us to 34.4. Okay, so then we discover the actual distance that the boy threw was 34.4